degree and less than 90 degree. And number 2, we have learned right angle. So right angle is measuring exactly 90 degree. 90 degree. And number 3 is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is measuring more than 90 degree and less than 180. More than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Then we have learned straight angle. Straight angle, that means measuring exactly 180 degree. Then we have learned reflex angle. So reflex angle measuring more than 180 degree. Okay, more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Then we have complete angle. Complete angle measuring exactly 360 degree. So we are talking about angles, right? So this angle is measured by protector. This is protector and this angle is measured by using protector. Okay. So these are the things we have learned about angles. And then you all know how to measure, right? Yes. Okay. So here we have angle clock. Angle clock. Now everyone come this side. Our angles, measuring angles, right? So now I'm going to check whether you have cleared the concept of measuring angle or not by using this angle clock. Okay, so first Prajal, measure 90 degree. 90 degree, it's called right angle. Again Prajal, measure 160 degree. 160 degree. 160 degree, it's called obtuse angle. Okay. Then again Prajal only, measure 270 degree. Okay, 270 degree, it's called reflex angle. Then measure 45 degree. No. Okay. 45 degree. 45 degree. 45 degree, it's called acute angle. Okay, now draw 45 degree. Measure 45 degree. Okay, very good. Here, this image and your image is same, right? Very good, Prajal. Now, Badal, measure 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree, it's called right angle. Okay, then measure straight angle. Very good. Straight angle is called how many degree? Measure 180 degree. 180 degree. Measure 300 degree. Okay, 300 degree, it's called obtuse angle. Okay, draw 300 degree. Obtuse angle or reflex angle? Reflex angle. Draw reflex angle 300 degree. That is 300 degree. 300 degree. -300 degree. This image and this is same. Okay. Now Lakshmi, measure 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree. It's called
Complete angle.
complete angle. Now measure 70 degree. Okay, 70 degree. It's called
Acute angle.
okay, very good. Acute angle. Again, measure 140 degree. Okay, 140 degree. It's called
Obtuse angle.
obtuse angle. Now draw 140 degree obtuse angle. (140 degree). 140 degree. That is obtuse angle. (140 degree). Now everyone is clear about this measuring angle? Yes?
Yes, please.
Okay, very good.